When Miss A first told us that we were getting a cow, I was really excited because she had been talking about it for a while. So I came here immediately, I ran right to the shelter to look for him. So I was very excited to see it because we have so many animals, but this was a new one that we've never had. So I was very excited to go see Teddy. We go and we feed him 3 bottles a day. So I've actually got to drive down here and feed him a bottle once. We just prepare the milk by putting the powder in and then getting some warm water. And we usually don't have trouble feeding him because he's, as you can see, he wasn't hesitant to drink his bottle. So we just give him the bottle and we give him some hay and he should be set. And then we have the water in the back of his cage, so he'll be fine. Coming into Keenan, I was originally interested in the engineering program, but I've always had a passion for agriculture because I was involved with 4-H from a young age. So I came here and found out about the agriculture program and joined last year. So through that, I've learned so much information. I've gotten to experience many things like taking care of animals. So even though we do have this big farm, there's a lot that goes into it. So through the class I've been taking this year, I learned about how much goes into it, how much hard work that we're doing. We're out here 3 days a week taking care of the animals, which is, it's definitely exhausting at times, but you get to learn so much, and we're gonna have an advantage going into the work field with all the certifications that we're gonna get in the hands-on experience. So we're definitely learning every single day through this program.
We wanted to give the students an opportunity to work with all forms of livestock, but in a confined area. Being in the more of an inner city or urban area, we knew we didn't have the space of having a full-size cow, but they still get the chance to kind of take what they learned in the classroom, and instead of regurgitating that, kind of transitioning to applying it through application outside.
Something most people don't know about taking care of a cow is that cows need loving just as humans need loving. They need to be able to know that their owner is, happy to have them there, not just using them for food purposes. They have to be loved just like a human does. People see what Keenan is doing as a FFA chapter and just being able to help kids, get a job in veterinarian, grooming, whatever the case may be.